Hi guys, here's our interconnecting rooms at the Holiday Inn Express Folkestone. We'll start off with the double room. Nice big double bed there. And a sofa. Yeah, flat screen TV. A couple of outlets there to charge from. I don't think there's any USB chargers or anything on down there. No. No. Okay, so when you walk in, you've got a spot there to put your key in to get all your electrics going. You've got your aircon there. And as you come round, you have your mirror, hairdryer. Down there you have a couple of cups, kettle, a couple more cups, and teas, coffees. There's an ironing board there.
Oh yeah.
Iron, the towels are there. And here is your bathroom. Sink, more mirrors, a shower there with shampoo, hand wash, body wash. And if you shut this door, the toilet's in there. Come back round. Through here is
where the boys are
the
sleeping.
boys will be. Two more beds. That's the sofa bed turned in. Sofa turned into another bed. Exactly the same setup otherwise. A quick look outside. Probably no view as it's pitch black out there now. Yeah. Okay, so this room was £65 a night, as was the next door one. Car parking is £8, but if you're staying in the hotel, it's only £4. And there are Tesla superchargers, super fast ones, in the car park. Which, if you come in just to charge your Tesla, you can validate your car park and it's free. Okay, that concludes the review here at the Holiday Inn Express. Oh no, actually one more thing before we do. You do get hot and cold breakfast included. It's from, I think he said from 4 till 7 it's cold only, and then 7 till 10 it's hot and cold. Okay, thanks for watching guys. That's our room tour here at the Holiday Inn Express Folkestone. See you all real soon.